Hi everybody, it's a rainy morning and I am listening for the northern gray tree frog. Oh! Do you hear that? He's close, but they're hard to find exactly where they are because they're so well camouflaged. Here's a picture of one. Their body has the pattern of lichen, and they can actually change color from green to gray depending on the temperature and the time of day. So they can actually change the color of their skin, which I think is just amazing. They hibernate in these trees in the wintertime. And the northern gray tree frog lives all throughout the eastern United States. All right, maybe he'll sing one more time for us. Oh. All right, so good luck listening for or finding, better yet, the northern gray tree frog.